Bracket fungi aren't a family of fungus I pay much attention to on the whole, but in the Forest of Dean, they were hard to miss. This ancient place, a great collision of the wild, the forgotten, the overtaken, and the rumbling still, is a woodland bounty of plants and animals. The Fifth Kingdom, of course, plays its humble summer role, and is joined here by curious beetles, charging deer, and flitting butterflies. Once upon a time, these rampant leafy corners were a landscape haunted by the hammer song of ironworks, forges and drift mines. And today, the chirruping birds are accompanied still by the ghostly squawking of steam engines as they thunder around in their nostalgia. This was a pure summer day, fat with adventure, gilded by flowers, and beautiful in every part. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.